Assalamu alaikum students. This is Shagufta Salim Sheikh, Business Faculty, Sindh University Campus Larkana. Welcome to the lecture number 1, Financial Statement Analysis. In this lecture, you will be able to learn the following objectives. What is financial statement analysis? Purpose of financial statement analysis? Kinds of financial statement analysis? Who are interested in financial statement analysis? And what is the effective financial statement analysis? Let me give you the first introduction of financial statement. Financial statement is one of the very much important aspect, especially in finance area. Every organization, firm, ambitionist, institution or any company wants to know the financial position of their respective organization or you can say company. Now, what they want to know? They want to know how the organization is going on. They want to know the financial statement, financial status, and is there any profit or losses, and whatever assets and liabilities, all these things they would like to know. So, for this purpose, we need to prepare financial statement. Here is the simple definition of financial statement analysis. Financial statement analysis, or you can say financial analysis, is the process of reviewing and analyzing a company's financial statements to make better economic decisions. Now, if you want to make better decisions in our company or organization, then we must apply the process of reviewing and analyzing a company's financial statement. So, in simple words, you can say that financial statement analysis is the process of analyzing the feasibility, stability, and profitability of an organization. Financial analysis identifies the financial strengths and weaknesses of an organization. Now, how to identify the financial position, strengths, or weaknesses? By establishing the relationship between the items of the balance sheet and the profit and loss accounts. Here is the another definition. Financial statement analysis will help business owners and other interested people to analyze the data in financial statements to provide them with better information and about such key factors for decision making and ultimate business survival. Now, financial statement analysis is helpful for business owners and other interested people. Now, who are the interested? Who wants to know the financial analysis? There are so many people who want to know the financial position because financial analysis is helpful. It is helpful in providing information for economic decisions, helpful in providing information about financial position. It also helps in providing information about performance of an enterprise. Financial statement analysis involves analyzing the information provided in the financial statements to provide information about the organization's past performance, present condition, and future performance. Now, I already told you that financial analysis provide information about financial statements, position, and performance because it provide information about the organizations totally. When once we collected information, then we compare organizations past performance, present condition of organization, and also future performance of an organization. We'll have two kinds of financial statement analysis. One is profit and loss accounts and other one is balance sheet. Now, what is profit and loss account? In profit and loss account, it shows whether the company is getting profits or losses. Profit and loss account also referred to as a profit and loss statement. So, you can say that profit and loss account is a financial statement that summarizes the revenues, costs, and expenses incurred during a specified period. So that profit and loss account provide information about an enterprise income and expenses which result in net profit or net loss. And the other kind of financial analysis is balance sheet. Now, what is balance sheet? Balance sheet will reveal the exact true picture of the organization. Like you can say that detailed information about the companies or any organization. In balance sheet, you can find financial aspects just like assets, current assets, how many current assets we have, fixed assets, how many fixed assets we have, how much reserve we kept, or you can say that what about the liabilities, how much the capital we have accumulated either through the preference share or through the dividend or equity share. And what about current liabilities? It means each and everything the company's A to Z financial position will come to know through this balance sheet. So there were two types of financial analysis. The first was profit and loss accounts and other is balance sheet. Through this we can calculate or we can prepare financial statements. Now remember one thing always. Financial statements will be preparing after preparation of final accounts. Now, what are the final accounts? The accounts which are prepared at the end of the financial year are called as a final accounts. Now, in final accounts, there are three steps, or you can say three types. The first one is trading account. Now, what is trading account? Trading account is an account which indicates the result of trading activities, such as you can say purchase and sale of products. And the second step and final account is profit and loss account. Now, what is profit and loss account? It is an account that representing the actual profit earned or loss sustained by the business during the accounting period. Now, trading account and profit and loss account both are accounts. And the third type of final accounts you can say that is balance sheet, which I have already discussed. And balance sheet is not an account, it is an statement. We have two accounts. One is trading account and other is profit and loss account. And third is balance sheet, which is a statement. So, if you want to know the profit of any organization, you will prepare trading account and profit and loss account. Okay, and if you want to know the status of your organization, status means financial status, financial position will prepare balance sheet. So, in simple words, you can say that final accounts are nothing but preparation of trading accounts, profit and loss accounts, and balance sheet. Once the process of final accounts is completed, then we go for the financial statements with the information of final accounts. Now, what is the main purpose of financial statement analysis? Financial statement is used for to evaluate an organization's financial performance and financial position. Now, the purpose of financial statement is to judge the financial health of the company, or you can say that it is used to analyze whether an entity is stable, solvent, liquid, or profitable. To preparation of this financial analysis, before going to that, we'll come to know who are the parties, which people are interested to know the financial statement, or you can say that who need this information, why do they need, that we will discuss now. Now, here is the business concern. This is business concern, or you can say that business organization. So about this financial statement, which people are interested, who are the interested, who want to know the financial position of this organization. Okay, now who are they? Now first one is owners, management, creditors, employees, investors, government, customer, stock exchange. These all peoples are interested. These all peoples are interested. They want to know the financial position of this organization. Now, why they want to know? We'll come to know the discuss. The first one is owners. Owners of the organizations, they must want to know what is the financial position of the organization. According to that, they can decide shall we extend or shall we take any kind of changes, or shall we adopt new methods like decision making or taking any kind of problems, or any kind of solving of the problems. So in simple words, you can say that owners want to know the true picture of their organizations. Now, why? Because they are investors, they are company owners, they are going to have the profits or losses. That's why they want to know the financial position of the company. The next one is management. Who are the management? Management may be appointed by the owners or sometimes directly managers may be the owners of their organizations. They may be appointed or direct owners. Anything it can be because they have to the decisions. Management means managing the organization, managing the things, or you can say handling the things. Now, how to the handle? Wants to know the financial positions, financial status, or you can say financial statements, then only take up the decisions. After management, we will talk about the creditors. Who are the creditors? Creditors are those people who give the credit, who give the loans to the organization. So, when they have to give the loans to the organization, they must know the true picture of the organization. Because if the organization is strong, financially strong, having good assets and liabilities are less, and having lot of profits, then these people will be always confident to give the loans to the organization. That is the way creditors would like to know the financial position of their organizations. The another one is investors. Now, who are the investors? Investors who put their investments like preference shareholders we can take, equity shares we can take, and also who can put more investments in the form of the debentures. These people we call them as investors. So these investors also, if the position of the organization when they come to know, they will be in the status, will be in the condition to put their investments in the organizations. So that is the reason they need to know the company's positions. Next one is employees. Why employees need to know the organization's position? Because they are working in the organization. They are getting the branded butter from the organization in the form of salaries, you can say. So that is why they would like to know the financial position. And if the organization is strong, means job is not at all safe, so they can focus and they can dedicate their work and everything respective of having risk or thinking about anything else, you can say. Then they can just focus on the work of the organization. So that's why employees want to know the financial statement, financial position of their organizations. Then after that, government. Now, why the government want to know the financial position or financial status of organization? Because they have to put the taxes. They want to give the license and they want to give any kind of rules and regulations. Then only they can go for any kind of changes or any changes in the taxes or rules and regulations, all these things. That's why that is said that the government is also interested to know about the financial position of the organization. The next one is the consumers. Now, why consumers wants to know the position of the organization? Because consumers mainly, if the organization is good, then only they want to buy the products of the organization is in good position. They are giving good quality of products. That is the reason many people are purchasing the products of this company. If the company is in loss, products may not having good quality, automatically they don't rely on those organizations. That is why always consumer wants to know the financial status of the organization. Last one is stock exchange. Stock exchange is also very much important because according to the financial status of the organization, stock exchange will be having a lot of changes like the rate of the stock, the rate of the shares, and everything will be varying. Increasing or decreasing totally depends upon the financial position. If stock exchange is in good position, shares will be always increasing, means face value is increasing. So that's why stock exchange is always interested to know the financial position of the organizations. Now here is the effective financial statement analysis. To perform an effective financial statement analysis, you need to be aware of the organization's business strategies and objectives and goals. Now, every good company or organization must have an expert in finance who can analyze financial statements carefully and effectively. Know that business strategies of the companies and goals are, for example, you can say that what's your product and services, what industry are you operating, or you can say that what are your short and long term goals, who's your target market, and what are the business trends over the past few years, or does the business have the financial ability to hire more employees or develop additional products. All these are highly important and help in financial analysis. So when you can comfortably answer these questions, you will know the exactly what your costings are, and this will help you better interpret financial data. And other is the annual report and other documents like articles about the organization in newspaper and business reviews. It means that you will be need to the audit records from different departments and possibly even other business. For example, it including sales records, annual budgets, or profit and loss statements, or supply chain bills, or there is the advertising. Everything should be received in this. So this is all about the financial analysis of a statement. Thank you.